Have you ever wondered why, when you zoom in on a manga page and there's some gray shading, it looks as if there's some texture going on? Well, the creator did not make those little squares one by one. He used something called a screen tone. And so when you shade your manga drawings, your it's not gonna look like that. So let's say you have a drawing like this. Oh, but there's none of that texture going on. So what you need is a screen tone, also known as a paper texture. And in Paint Tools SAI 2, they're up here. And that looks more like it, and you can adjust the intensity and the scale. So if you make it really small, you would have to zoom in to really notice it. But at this distance, it will have to be bigger. But maybe what you want is for it to not be noticed. But that will be up to you. That's one shading technique in manga, because the other one is called cross hatching, and it goes something like this. It's lines, one next to the other, like this, and that's not screen tone, and the intensity will depend on the amount of lines and the amount of directions that you add one on top of another. So you can do only vertical, and if you want to make it darker, you will go horizontal, and that's darker. If you want it even more darker, you can go diagonal, and that would be, you can get it even darker if you add more diagonals. But this video was just to inform you about screen tones if you didn't know what they were. And you have to know that just adding screen tones to a gray shaded drawing will not make it better. It is just an effect. They are also available in physical form. They are stickers that you paste on the page, and then you have to cut them with a sort of knife. So yeah, this video was to inform you about screen tones if you didn't know what they were. There are many types of screen tones. They don't look the same. For example, there is this one, and that's not the same in the drawing. You can choose from a wide variety depending on the defaults that your software offers. And if your software doesn't have it, I recommend that you change to one that has it, if that's what you want to do. Also, you can stack them. You don't have to use just one. You can stack them. Let's say I have that one, that checkerboard, and I want to put as an example this one. So there I have 2, and you can add as many as you like. There goes another one. So yeah, those are screen tones, also known as paper textures. And they don't have to be black and white or grayscale. You can even use them in painting, in color if you want. They have a color, and you add the paper texture.